Creating a strong YouTube thumbnail can take longer than expected. You may spend an hour inside Canva or Photoshop trying to remove backgrounds, arrange images, add text, and make everything look professional. Hiring a designer can save time, but custom thumbnails may cost $10, $20, or even $30 each, and you may wait several days for the finished design. Thumbium is designed to simplify that entire process. It is an AI-powered thumbnail creator that can produce graphics for standard YouTube videos and vertical shorts from one dashboard. To begin, select the format you need. Choose the horizontal layout for regular YouTube videos or the vertical layout for shorts. You can then build the thumbnail using your own photographs, product images, background pictures, or AI-generated people and scenes. For example, you could upload a photograph of yourself and place it into a completely different setting. You could also upload a product image for a review video, or let Thumbium generate the main subject without using any of your own pictures. The prompt box allows you to explain exactly what you want the thumbnail to show. You might request a surprised person looking at a rising sales chart, a traveler standing beside a cruise ship, or a product displayed inside a dramatic outdoor scene. You can also enter a short headline and control its size and position. When you find a thumbnail style you like, you can upload it as a visual reference. Thumbium will use the reference to guide the appearance of the new design. You can also select one of your previous creations from the gallery and use it as the starting style for another thumbnail. This helps maintain a similar appearance across several videos or an entire channel. The software includes different visual styles, or you can allow the AI to choose one automatically. You can also decide how many versions you want Thumbium to create. Generating several variations makes it easier to compare different layouts, expressions, backgrounds, and text placements before choosing the strongest design. Thumbium works with your own OpenAI API key. Instead of paying for an expensive package of platform credits, you pay the direct image generation cost through your OpenAI account. The exact charge depends on the settings and the number of images created. Let me show you a practical example. Suppose I am creating a YouTube video about a recent trip to Cozumel. I will choose the regular YouTube format and upload a photograph of two people as the main subject. Next, I will add a photograph taken near the cruise port as the background. For the headline, I will enter Cozumel Cruise Port Day. I can leave the remaining settings at their default options and request 4 different thumbnail variations. Before generating them, Thumbium displays the estimated API cost. In this example, producing all 4 images costs only a small amount through the connected OpenAI account. After clicking the Generate button, the new thumbnails are processed and added to the gallery. Each version combines the uploaded people, cruise background, and headline into a different layout. This gives me several designs to compare instead of relying on a single result. The same material can also be repurposed for a vertical short. I can switch the format, reuse the photographs, and change the creative direction by adding a new prompt. For example, I can ask Thumbium to give the people surprised expressions and change the headline to Cruising to Cozumel. Thumbium then creates a new set designed specifically for the vertical format. The platform can also be used for product review content. Suppose I want to create a video reviewing a portable fan for camping. I can remove the cruise images, upload a photograph of the fan, and select or generate a camping background. For the headline, I might use Best Camping Fan. After requesting several variations, Thumbium creates product-focused thumbnail concepts using the fan image, the outdoor setting, and the new text. You are not required to upload your own images. You can start with an AI-generated person and describe the entire scene through the prompt. For example, I could request a man reacting with surprise while looking at a rapidly rising cryptocurrency chart. The headline might say, "Bitcoin is exploding." Thumbium would then generate the person, chart, background, lighting, and layout based on those instructions. Prompts that you use regularly can be saved for later. This is helpful when you repeatedly use the same branding, design instructions, facial expressions, layout style, or content format. Instead of rewriting the same directions for every project, you can load a saved prompt and make only the changes needed for the next video. It is important to review the project information before generating the images. The AI follows the instructions it receives. If an old product headline remains in a new cryptocurrency project, the finished image may contain the wrong words. Checking the subject, prompt, format, and headline before clicking. Generate can prevent unnecessary image charges and wasted variations. All completed designs appear inside the gallery. You can open a thumbnail to view a larger version and download the finished image to your computer. You can also use an existing image as a reference for future designs. This is useful when you create a thumbnail that performs well and want new videos to follow a similar visual style. Thumbium also includes AI editing. Suppose you like the overall design but want to change one specific detail. Instead of generating the entire thumbnail again, you can open the editing tool and describe the change. For example, you could ask Thumbium to replace yellow headline text with green and white text. The software processes the request and adds the revised image to the gallery while keeping the original version available. The editing tool can also make larger visual adjustments. If the people in a cruise thumbnail are wearing clothing that does not match the tropical setting, you can ask the AI to update their outfits. You might request tropical clothing for both people and specify a tropical dress for one of them. Thumbium then creates a revised version using those instructions without requiring you to rebuild the full thumbnail from the beginning. The gallery also provides simple organization tools. You can rename images so they are easier to identify, remove designs you no longer need, and filter your projects by regular YouTube thumbnails or vertical shorts. These features are useful when you produce a large number of graphics and need a faster way to find previous work. Thumbium brings image generation, reference photos, background creation, text placement, style matching, AI editing, and thumbnail organization into one workflow. You can create designs using personal photos, product images, artificial characters, uploaded backgrounds, or fully generated scenes. You can produce several variations, choose the strongest result, make targeted edits, reuse successful styles, and download the completed thumbnail without manually designing every element. The software may be especially useful for content creators, affiliate marketers, product reviewers, agencies, and businesses that need new thumbnails regularly. It can reduce the time spent building graphics from scratch and lower the cost of outsourcing every design. A thumbnail tool cannot guarantee that a video will receive more views. The subject, title, video quality, audience interest, and overall channel performance still matter. However, Thumbium gives creators a faster way to test different visual ideas and produce polished thumbnail concepts without needing advanced graphic design experience. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me what you currently use to create your YouTube thumbnails. Click the link below to learn more.